Okay, this is my old horn. Let's test it. Nothing. Maybe it doesn't work anymore. That's why it's my old horn. Try it now. Okay, buddy. That's the old horn. Let's see if this new one works. Here's how that clips on there. Probably can't see that real well, but my gigantic fingernails aren't gigantic. Where's the new one? Ironically, the new one appears to be used because it's dirty. And it looks like the clips broke. Didn't when it was removed, which could cause a problem. Now it's gonna work. My keys are right here. This is a first test. Yeah, there we go. Now the horn test. Works. That's it. If anyone wants to know how these hook on, I got company. It hooks on right here in this clip and points downwards right in front of the radiator. I gotta swap these clips off. This is the new horn. It's actually a 2017 to 2019 Mustang, but they're the same horns. They're made by Hipiam, F-I-A-M-M, which is a French company that actually makes a lot of the horns. So I got to put this bracket on because this Mustang bracket is completely opposite. This is my old one. The difference is that the wire connector's on the opposite side. So when you look at them side by side, they're opposite, which is no big deal because the wire is long enough underneath. So I'm gonna put this bracket on and zip this bad boy up. It just goes like this, and then there's a screw that goes in it. One screw goes right there to the body, and then one wire connector. Easy peasy. And I can't hold the camera and do this at the same time. Bracket, horn faces down, and then one screw goes into the frame. Screw size for this job is 10 millimeter and 8 millimeter. I got a text. So all I'm trying to do now is get this bracket lined up. So I can tighten it up in the back. dog's gonna bark at little kids. That's how we roll over in this neighborhood. And it's starting to rain. This video will probably never make it to production. Probably the easiest repair I've ever made. I'm just stripping this screw out. Come on, dude. There we go. New horns on. Now I just gotta hook up the electric. Ouch. It's right here. No click, but it's hooked up. Test with my keys. What's up? And a regular test. We got hornets up in this business. Let me tell you something about fixing a horn. That's how you do it. Benny. Ben, did we get that horn fixed? He's not as impressed as I am. Thanks for watching.